In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record disciplinary actions for an employee in Lanteria HR. So let's just bring up an employee record. We'll type in their name. And that will open the employee card. And we can just go up here to Enhanced Details and click on Disciplinary Actions. And you can see here that we already had a disciplinary action in the past. If I want to go in and open that, I can and see the details. And if I wanted to add a new disciplinary action, I just click on Add. And we can choose our different action types. These are of course configurable, as is virtually everything in Lanteria. The date that it was happened, the supervisor, the reason, etc. And of course, as I said already, you can customize these fields as well. You can rename them, you can add new ones, so on and so forth. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button now. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get the most out of Lanteria, or you'd like to stay on top of the constant product updates that are being put out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.